Welcome back, graduates. So today I'm going to be showing you kind of a little trick, and it's a Chrome extension that I use. It's called CSS used. So if you Google Chrome extension CSS used, it's most likely the first one. It's an open source project. It is safe, it's secure. I've been using this for years. I used to use this in the very beginning when I first started getting into web development. Well, not first getting into web development, but running a development agency. I didn't really truly know what I was doing, I'll be honest with you. So now what we do here is you just right click, inspect element over an element that you pretty much want, right? And what'll happen is you kind of have to get a general idea of how HTML works and its structure, all that fun stuff. Now you notice here as I'm highlighting, it's highlighting the entire content here, as you can see. So you want to get the outermost element, or you can actually just grab the container if you wanted to. But for this case, I'm going to do this. And with this Chrome extension, you have a little thing called CSS used. And it does just that. It grabs all of the CSS. So you can open it up in CodePen and kind of get a preview. Now, this won't work perfectly. I promise you it's not going to work perfectly. But what it will do is it will give you the CSS you need. Now, you should not just go in and take this data and content and turn it into whatever you want to do. You obviously want to kind of clean things up here because it's going to bring in all the CSS classes, but at least you'll have the content for that specific element aside from the fonts, because Shopify has chorus policy and you can't use their fonts off of there. But someone was interested in how we got our gradient animation going like this. It's all CSS, baby. That's all it is. So you go here, and for this particular situation, you'll see that we have a class called gradient title, and you can literally go in and grab this from any website. Now, I'm not telling you to do this and just completely rip off another store, okay? You can't do that. You will get sued. Trust me, it's happened. I've seen it happen. It's not a fun thing you want to get involved in. But if you're inspired by something and you want to have a copy of it, you can use this strategy to do that. What you do with this strategy, that's on you. I'm just here to kind of share some tips and tricks on how to do things. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's quick and easy. How to get content from websites and get their styles as well. So that way you can kind of be inspired by it and modify it and change it enough so where you can use a similar element. Thank you.